What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. In this video I will continue this B20 project. I have few parts on the table ready. After the intro I have one announcement and two news, and I also need a little bit your help and advice. And a quick announcement, I will take a small break, summer holiday, so the next videos will come out in late of July. So don't worry, I'm not going anywhere, I'm just having some summer holiday. I have parts here ready, water pump and some other stuff. I'm still missing the cylinder head. I'm a little disappointed because my machine shop, I have used it many times and I haven't had any problems with them. They have done quite many head and flywheel jobs for me, but this time I have waited few weeks already. Last week I called them because I thought that they might have lost my phone number, but no, they haven't even started the job. And I hope that I will get the cylinder head back quite soon. Otherwise, I will pick it up and find another place. But I hope they can do the job as soon as possible. So that's why I don't have the cylinder head yet, and we have to focus on something else. And now to the news I promised to tell you. I got an email from a company that would like to do a cooperation with me. They are selling car parts. I was a little surprised from this contact, and I asked few my YouTuber fellows that I know that they have done cooperation with this company, and they said that it goes well, no problems at all. So I will take a chance and try to cooperation with them. And guess what? What is coming? They will send me a new turbo, and if you have watched my channel before, you know that I don't know almost anything about the turbos. So I will have some learning to do, and I have also a small other problem. I don't have a car for that turbo, so I will have to buy one, a cheap one, and I have already asked many of my friends to help me to find a suitable project car for that turbo that is coming. I will tell you more later, but I have already done some search, but I haven't found a suitable project car. But I have thinking that maybe I should buy a car that already have a turbo ready, so I don't have to do the manifold and buy the intercooler or anything, because I don't have any turbo stuff in my shelf. So I will start really from the bottom, but I think this will be a quite interesting video blog series about how to make my first turbo. But I will appreciate your comments down below. What do you think? What should be my project car for the turbo? I have searched Volvos, I have searched BMWs, I have searched Hondas, but I haven't found anything yet. But what do you think? What car it should be? And now back to the B20. First I will take this cover once again away, and I will seal the both corners. Like you have commented, this will probably leak from these corners between the seals. So I have this Supra copper liquid gasket here on the table. So I will take the cover off and seal the both corners and put the cover back on. I read from the instructions that I just have to, or I should also only tighten these screws by hand and wait until the liquid gasket is dried and then tighten more. I think I haven't done that ever before, but now I read the instructions, so maybe this time I will follow the instructions. But I will put my camera on stand, and after that job I will tell you more. Yes, now the front cover should be okay. Next, crankshaft cover to the back. I have new gaskets for this too, this one and that one. And before you comment anything, I know that this is not the best gasket in the world. There's a kit to fix the problem, so that you don't need to use that kind of gasket, but I will do the old school way. This point, I just have to remove the pin there, and they get the plate away, and then I will put the gasket back on its place. I will use the liquid gasket also down there on both corners, because I think that might be the place that the seal will probably leak first. So at least I try to prevent that leak. There's the crankshaft cover. It was a little bit tight, so I had to borrow some bolts from here to press it on its place. I didn't want to tap it because I didn't want to ruin the new gasket, but now it should be okay. And there's some liquid gasket also on the corners, and I slightly tightened the oil pan also, and this cover, so now it's waits that the liquid, sorry to me, I just have to wait that the liquid gasket is dried, so then I will tighten to the right torque all these. I also put the crankshaft pulley. This is not tightened yet, so I have to remember to tighten that too. Remind me to do that before installing the engine to the engine bay. Now there's only water pump left and some piping. I cleaned the bolts and used some WD-40. I have the gaskets here ready. I have left some gaskets on the to remember what goes where, and also it protects the piping from the paint. So now I know that this kind of gasket here, I think it is this, so this goes there, and that kind of gasket, I think it is that, goes there. So I think these will go here. But first I think I will fit the gasket, and then I will assemble the water pump with the new gasket, and then do some piping, and after that I think this phase will be quite ready. I'm happy, not any big surprises at this point. Table is empty. Not any big surprises. As you saw, I had to change the one bolt from here to here because this one is slightly longer and I didn't remember that, so I just had to change that one with this one, but now it should be okay. I have new gaskets on every place and these are really nice, these new ones. I haven't tightened these or this because I have to retighten all the bolts and nuts here. So it would be a little bit difficult to tighten these ones if this would be already on its torque. I'm very happy how this goes, except we have the slight setback with the cylinder head because we don't have it yet, but I will next week after the Midsummer Festival here in Finland. After that I will call the machine shop and give them some feedback. And I will ask straight that, can you do it? If they can't, I will take it away and take it to another machine shop. I have some parts here waiting. I have the fan here. What color should I use? Should I paint it this orange like it is, or yellow, or something else? Please give me some comments down below, that would be great. And I have also some other parts here waiting for their turn. These covers, a lot of bolts, nuts, washers. Next I will take my shoes off and start my summer holiday, and next videos will come out June, July, August. On August. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comments down below, that would be great. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do it right away, and also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.